Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy here with Y.B.Normal. Listen, we are at the Gear-up Nashville Leadership Summit. That's right, in the Oasis Center here in Nashville, Tennessee. Listen, man, super excited, super honored to be in their presence. Just their tangible tools to help change the climate and the culture of their campuses. So check this video out coming up next. And as always, Y.B.Normal, when you can be extraordinary. Peace.
My name is Wendy Blackmore, and I am the Director of Operations at the Tennessee College Access and Success Network.
JP Gray, Project Director, Gear-up Nashville.
My name is Amanda, and I'm a Gear-up Coordinator.
My name is Nina Brown. I work for the Oasis Center as a college mentor.
So we are better together. What does that mean?
The intentionality that he put into really learning what we were struggling with and what we wanted our conversation to be about and the motivation that we wanted everyone to walk away with from today. I think that he just hit it home with nailing all of those points that we discussed.
Like that, we understand that you have to collaborate in order for us to make an impact.
He sent the message of collaboration, the education, sustainability, all those messages that we always try to communicate to our schools, to our students, and to our parents.
So we have to adopt a we over me attitude.
Authentic, intentional, passionate.
Impactful.
Relatable.
Stay powerful, real, and
To
dynamic.
love on them, to collaborate with them, to make sure that they're making the correct career choice in order for them to change the lineage of their family.
Allows us to understand more of how to work with these students.
But when the last time you listened to a student?
That will carry across so many different aspects for me and for all of the individuals in the room.
Because when they transition out, you don't stop being a teacher. You don't stop being a principal. You don't stop being an educator.
Personal information he shared was very relatable to the students that we serve.
Impactful to hear his perspective on meeting young people where they are through his own experiences as well. And
But how many times you done came with an idea and you done talk to somebody about something and they say, oh, well, this ain't working in the past. Moving away from rigid beliefs of the past that stops us from working together. I want your actions to speak louder than your words. Why be normal when you can be extraordinary? Thank you.